Okay, so now this is going to be kind of weird. This is like reverse distribution. It's called factoring. What that means is when you have an expression, is there a number that you can take out of both? Now, your goal is to get the biggest number, but you don't have to get there immediately. So, for example, I think we all see that 2 can go into 24 and 64. So here's what you can do. You could divide both of these by 2. So it would be half of 24 is 12, half of 64 is 32. And you pulled out a 2. See? And you know it works because if you do 2 times 12, you get 24, and 2 times 32, and you get 64. So you can pull out really any number that you want. We're just focusing on whole numbers right now. So now you look at it again. Is there another number that could be taken out? And you're like, yeah, you could have taken out another 2, Mr. Schneider. So that means that would be a 6y minus half of 32 is 16. And then you've already taken out 1, 2, and so you're taking out another 2. So that's a 4 now. Okay, and you can check your work because 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 16 is 64. Well, you could have taken out another 2. So let's do that. So half of 6 is 3. Half of 16 is 8. And another 2, and 4 times that 2 is 8. So this is the most factored expression that you have.
878.
No. And so you've now taken 8 out of 24, y, and 64. So you've factored it out. This doesn't have a lot of use just as is, but when you get to the harder problems, you'll want to know that you could practice this. So let's look at it again. First step is to write it down. Okay. Then what you do is you're like, what's a number that can go into it? And you might even say 3. But wait, you could take a 2 and a 3 out, right? That means you could take a 6 out. So let's take a 6 out. So we take a 6 out, and that would be negative 5f plus 6. And you can't take another thing out of 5 and 6. Okay, and you can check it works by multiplying. Now, if you didn't want to do that or didn't see that, you could have taken, do we write the original? You could have taken a 2 out, and then you could have seen that a 3 goes out of it. So you could have taken a 3 out, and then 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, same answer. Let's look at another one. Well, what numbers can go into this? 2 can go into 12 and 30, and 3 can. So as a starting, I know that I could take a 6 out. 12 divided by 6 is 2y. 30 divided by 6 is a minus 5. And that, my friends, is the most simplified version. Let's do one more. Oh, geez. Well, I know that 3 can go out of both of those. So I'm going to take a 3 out and see what happens. 27 divided by 3 is 9c. Minus 15 divided by 3, which is 5. Okay? There we go.